We'll start with preparing the veggies. So we have here sweet potato, normal potato, and carrots. In this video, I will be using the Masterfoods Lamb Casserole recipe in the packet because I'm still fairly new to slow cooking. Hopefully in the future, I get to start slow cooking from scratch. So instead of adding celery and couscous, I'm using sweet potato because I know we'll eat it. And yeah, I'm not really one to follow recipes exactly how they are. Sear the lamb cuts on a pan until both sides turn brown. In slow cooking, we can't put meat directly onto the pot when they're still raw. In this video, I won't be cutting the lamb into cubes, but you can do so if you prefer that. While we're waiting for this, we can prepare the rest of the ingredients in the slow cooker pot. I'm using the Russell Hobbs 7-liter slow cooker, and we're cooking for 4 serves. So I've already put the cut veggies we've prepared earlier. Then next is a can of diced tomatoes. And then we'll put the Masterfoods Lamb Casserole slow cook recipe base. As per the packet instructions, you can cook this on low for 8 hours and on high for 4 hours. Either way, the meat will be very tender and tasty. Now let's add the onions. I always use frozen onions just to help decrease food waste. Then just mix everything together. Make sure that all the flavors are evenly distributed. Since I'll be cooking this on high for 4 hours, it will make the sauce boil. So I'm adding 1/2 cup of water so that it doesn't dry out. You also need to make sure that the veggies don't touch the side of the pot, because that would burn the veggies and the side of the pot and would also leave burnt markings on your pot. So now we'll put the lamb cuts we've seared on the pan. If you won't be at home while this is cooking, you can pour some of the sauce over the lamb. But if you're at home, you can do that mid-cooking. After 2 hours, just give it a stir so that the lamb mixes with the sauce. I do this mid-cooking to make sure that the veggies are cooked thoroughly. And then just leave it to cook for the remaining 2 hours. You can serve this with bread roll, rice, or mashed potato. Enjoy!